Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful practice of meditation. If you're new to this, don't worry. It's simply about taking some time to quiet your mind and connect with yourself. Now, find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or even lie down if that feels better. There's no right or wrong way. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that feels more comfortable. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, feeling your belly rise with each inhale. Hold for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting any tension melt away. Breathe naturally now, feeling the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. It's normal for thoughts to pop in. That's just how our minds work. When you notice a thought, simply acknowledge it and let it go. Imagine it like a cloud drifting across a vast blue sky. Don't judge yourself for having thoughts. Just observe them and return your gentle focus to your breath. Let's bring our awareness to our body. Start with your toes. Wiggle them a little, feeling the sensations. Now, slowly scan your body upwards, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. You can even send a little breath of relaxation to those areas, like a warm wave washing over them. Now, let's shift our focus to our senses. What sounds can you hear, even the faintest ones? Maybe it's traffic outside, or the hum of the refrigerator. Can you feel the temperature in the room? Is there a soft touch where your clothes meet your skin? Just observe these sensations without judgment. Sometimes strong emotions might arise during meditation. That's okay. They're just energy moving through you. Acknowledge them with kindness, like a friend visiting. You don't need to act on them, just let them be there and observe them with a sense of curiosity. For the next few minutes, simply keep returning your attention to your breath. It's your anchor in this present moment. Feel the coolness of the air entering your nose, the warmth of it leaving your mouth. Count your breaths silently if that helps you stay focused. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body reawaken. Take a few deep breaths again, feeling invigorated. When we meditate regularly, even for just a few minutes, we cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity that can spill over into our daily lives. I find that meditation helps me approach challenges with a calmer mind and a more open heart. Remember, meditation is a practice, not a destination. There will be days when your mind feels more scattered than others. Be kind to yourself. Just keep coming back to the present moment with each breath. I wish you peace relaxation, and a deeper connection with yourself. Stay mindful, friends,